Hello kids, let's learn some shapes and color names. These are our colors. This is violet color, V-I-O-L-E-T, violet color. This is blue, B-L-U-E, blue color. This is green, G-R-E-E-N, green color. This is orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange color. This is red, R-E-D, red color. This is yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow color. Let us draw the shape. It is black color. This is circle. It is rhombus or diamond. It is right triangle. It is pentagon. It is hexagon. It is equilateral triangle. Let us color the shapes. This is yellow color. It is circle. Circle has no side. Red color. It is hexagon. It has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. It is orange color. It is right triangle. It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. And this angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. This is blue color. This is pentagon. It has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. This is green color. It is rhombus or diamond. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. This is violet color. It is equilateral triangle. It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. All sides equal. Let us recall the shapes and colors name once again. Circle, yellow color. Rhombus or diamond, green color. Right triangle, orange color. Pentagon, blue color. Hexagon, red color. Equilateral triangle, violet color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.